right here is the biggest speed trap in Virginia Beach. It drops from 45 to 35 to 25 right here. You go to speedtraps.com and you can see it. It's one of the hottest speed traps in Virginia Beach or anywhere. And they sit right here and get you going 35, 40. They spin around through this light at 25 and they wait for you right here by this big bush stuck into the little woods right there. It's a bad area. If you ever down this way, be careful. I didn't realize it. We have Shriners in town this week. Starting probably today. Tomorrow and the weekend they'll have a big parade here, the Shriners will. They come every September for the last 5 or 6 years. Lots of them, thousands of them. You can see that ominous looking cloud there. And you hear that bad boy right there. Got jet noise today. Again. Big surf today. The tide made up really high. I figured it would. Grass line's way up high. You see pools of water down that way from this high tide. I brought the Diablo with me today. Thinking them big waves would have forced a lot of stuff up high. I'll give her a spin up here in this damp sand. I think she needs some testing in the damp sand. Fitted, not welded. Fitted. That's cool. I think. I see one of my pirate friends has already been up here. I see a hole right here. We got some kind of ticket right here. Stand by. I don't know if it was in his hole and he didn't see it, but it was in his sand pile where he loaded sand on the back of it. Piece of junk, of course, but pot metal junk. That's Dave Kent. His GT in a bag. One of Steve's large scoops. We have some killer waves again today. Look at that one right there. Look at that one. These guys right here are loving it. There's that new face from yesterday. He's back in the lane again today. Look at them set right there. Ooh. Get on out there, boys. Dreams are made out of. one. Look at that baby coming in. Holy Toledo.
Were you late getting here?
Yeah, I had to go to Norfolk, Yukon Lumber to get a piece of marine plywood. Stopped by today, boat supply.
What do you have?
Dome's right there. On the other side of that dude.
What do you have?
Whites.
I thought you said you could see his ring.
Dolphin just jumped up out of the wave there.
I can't imagine.
There you go, you're missing it. Over there. Look at this. He was doing flips out of it.
I can't imagine these swells with this.
Today we're going to go to Ocean City, him and Gary.
He said, when can you go to Koala? I said, well, you can't actually drive on the beach on Thur.
Rick from PA is moving in. Coming up from the north. I mean from the south. I'm going to be home with any tickets tonight. I'll find out in a minute. Tough going down here today with these big waves, I can tell you. Almost like the Northern Territory. Look at this. Oh, baby. Tough going. I know that guy. I can't think of his name, but he's got a big scoop. Big aluminum scoop. Come on, people, pick it up. Here comes another one just like the other one. Put your seatbelt on. Northern Territory. Almost.
I couldn't hear you.
Does it spin?
No.
Well, you found a nice one. See, you found a nice one.
Light is a feather.
Dog tag. Deep dog tag. 6 scoop deep. SEAL team boats out today. I bet they're having some fun in these big waves. Look at them. A big wave rolling in today. Now here is where I can't tell how the Diablo is going to do in long-term survival. See it moving? I know it's supposed to do that. But how much of it can it take? I gave her over to Mr. Stanley with that big scoop. I think it's a bottle cap. He says it's a bottle cap. He said that's what his Excalibur said. I have to agree. That's probably what it is. But it's way deep. I have to get out of his way a little bit because it interfere with him. She's a deep baby. That's one of Steve's giant scoops. They had a large model of it. Just like the one I have, except we don't have the raised top on it. He's added all kinds of handles and stuff to it. That black handle's new. I ain't seen that before. Pull out the whole kind of handle. Larry says, we got it.
You got it?
There it is. I guarantee it's a bottle cap too.
It's yours.
By the sound it makes. Oh no, it's a lot damn worse than a bottle cap.
He had a sausage
Can lid. I know. Look how deep that thing was. I don't know. 15 or so scoops deep. Nice. Yes, sir. Good luck. You can get a feel for the size of these waves. Look at them. Good. Booger booger. They're trying to fix the pier. See the pile driving rig they got on the pier? Mother Nature's wreaking havoc on them. Got people on the pier fishing. September's big fishing on the piers around here. Surfers, they're having a dream come true day. Ticket you want for the Diablo. Right. Oh, I can never find that damn thing. Flip it. I hate them. Maybe there was something else in that hole, but it didn't sound like to be that screw. See it right now? I don't know what it is, but it looks good. It sounds good. Like to snap off a watch or a bracelet or something. It's a pop metal crap, is what it is. I don't know what this is. The nicest sound we had all day. It's real weak, but steady. That means it's small or deep. But it's low, like it's supposed to be. Stand by. There it is. It's like a piece of copper from here. Gotta be some other stuff moving. I think I'm going to move up the beach a little. Get up a little higher than going back. I'm turned around now, going back towards my truck. New face in the lane. Second best tone of the day right here. Second best tone. One bigger nickel. When I was putting my scoop in the truck along with my detector, fire trucks came screaming by me, headed to the north. I don't know what's going on up here, but something. Stand by. Looks like a wrecky poo. Not good for your day.